my 7.5 and 5. So we'll go on and fire up the welder and get this thing tacked on. You got yourself a magnetic level, it's a lifesaver. And I'm lining up my center marks that I put on here previously. If you have a C-clamp or something, it would probably help. And we're going to go ahead and tack it, and then we'll come back and check our level, do a little bit of adjusting if needed. Right there. Come through. We're going to get our bracket. We want to make sure the curve is towards the gate. That's how we got our geometry. And then I'm going to line this back up. The markings will help you so much because you're not sitting here trying to hold your square or tape measure. So if you get some black marks a lot, permanent marker works a lot better on this shiny metal. Obviously a piece of welding chalk doesn't work as good, but you're just going to get that in there and hold it, and then we're going to tack it down. Now what I'm going to do is get my square again. I try not to make anything permanent until you doubled and triple checked, but there we are again, center of our hinge, center of our hole. We've got our geometry right, so now we're just going to weld everything solid and be done with this side. Okay, so now that we've got our pull to open bracket finalized, we're going to move on to the next step.